Good morning, YouTube friends. This is Jim. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, yesterday we put the steel on the roof, and I wanted to let you have a closer look at that. And I attempted to go on the roof, but I changed my mind because it looked to me like it was going to be really slippery. So the roof's dried off now. So let's go up top and let's take a look. I'm really pleased with how well it turned out. Basically, I basically have a 14 by 36 shed, and I've got a 14 by 30 shed, and I've left a space between the two of them, and I've joined them together. And we had to put a roof on yesterday. So it seems like it's dry enough now. I think I can probably get up here. If I fall, you'll have it on video. Oh yeah, she's firm. Okay. So here we are. There she is. Beautiful job. So here we have, this is the building that I just brought in this spring, which is, like I said, 14 by 30. And that's the building over there that we brought in 3 years ago, which is 14 by 36. And what we did now is we joined these two together. And what we have here is a 10 by 15. Between the two of them, join them together. Sort of gives the house a sort of a unique style to it. This is the back porch I put on 2 summers ago. And over here, this is the front porch I put on 2 summers ago. So this over here, this front porch, this was actually the living room. And then here we have the bedroom and the kitchen. So that living room over here is now going to become a games room and just somewhere to relax and build puzzles. And this here is going to become the living room. And over there we have, at the far end, we have the kitchen, which is 14 by 18, I believe. And we have the master bedroom. So the next step now is to close it in. So there you have it. So follow along and watch my channel, and we'll keep you updated. This here, this turned out really, it's a different little layout, but looks good. I'm really happy with it. I had a guy helping me, and he did a phenomenal job. Absolutely phenomenal job. Anyways, keep watching, and I'll keep you updated with what's going on. There's my lake. Talk to you in the next video. Have a great day.